Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this LENTION, and it is a little hub that I can hook up to my laptop and connect it to my monitor. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like here. It looks like it comes with some cute little stickers. Look at that. How cool is that? So this is the hub here. So it looks like it has a HDMI port there, 3 USBs. Looks like 2 of them are one color and one's blue. I'm going to guess that's different. We have a micro SD, a standard SD slot, and a USB-C slot. And then this will connect up through USB-C as well. Looks like it has something in it. Oh, a cover over it. Okay, so we will connect it up and give this thing a try. So like right now, let me open this up. I will plug this in. Here is my HDMI for my monitor. I don't know if I need to be open or not, but let's see. Oh, so it's doing something. There it is. Look at that. Now we have HDMI on my monitor. Look at that. How cool is that? So it just connected up right through there and made it work. Let me see if I can do my settings on it. System settings. Allow accessories to connect. Okay, so we have somewhere in here, it's going to say displays. Maybe desktop. Displays. Here we go. So it's got my Scepter display, and it's at, I can make it 3840 by 2160, I guess. Is that what I usually use? I don't know. Let's see if I put something over there. There it is. Oh, did it go? Nope. There it is. So there, look at that. So I've got my, it looks like I think it's 4K going across there. So that's pretty sweet. So I can fit a whole lot more on this screen than I can fit on that screen there, that's for sure. I mean, that took up almost the whole screen and that one there. So I can go, just using this little device here, it goes across there. Cool. And I mean, that was already powered, but then I guess I unplug it and it's gone. Oh, and then the thing popped up back here. So that's pretty cool. So I like this little device. Super cool if you need to hook up a monitor or any of these other devices to a like MacBook that only has USB-C. I can hook up anything to it. Thumbs up. It's good. Thumbs up.